Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to lock focus on the Nikon D750 camera. Whether you're photographing fast-paced action or ensuring precise focus in low-light conditions, the focus lock lever provides a convenient way to lock focus on your subject. Let's dive in. Locate the focus lock lever. Slide the focus lock lever to the L.lock position. This action disables the autofocus system from adjusting focus automatically, allowing you to lock focus manually on your desired subject. With the focus lock lever in the L position, aim your camera at the subject you want to focus on. Use the autofocus system or manually adjust the focus ring on your lens to achieve sharp focus on the subject. Once the subject is in focus, the focus lock lever prevents the autofocus system from altering the focus distance, ensuring that your chosen focus point remains locked in place. While maintaining the focus lock, compose your shot and adjust other camera settings such as aperture and shutter speed as needed. When you're ready to capture the image, press the shutter button halfway to activate metering and exposure calculations. This step ensures proper exposure based on the locked focus point. Finally, fully press the shutter button to take the photograph with the locked focus. Congratulations! Mastering focus locking techniques can help you achieve sharper and more accurately focused images. Thanks for watching.